How does your team really support the overall function of Full Throttle?
And yeah, I did talk a little bit, but really it's five key areas really that the team is really operating in to really do what you asked, right? And really it's about it's operations. So operations in a standard term, doing things by step, 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth, right? Now, deeper than that, it's then about aligning those operational units. So having different competencies work in parallel, right, in tandem, which ultimately breaks down those silos. And once those silos are broken down, then what we are able to do is we're able to align our goals, all right? So that's the next thing that really is happening there. And really what that's all about is really tracking the same metrics. Because I think what tends to happen when we're siloed, we begin to focus on what we believe is important and it no longer contributes to the priority, all right? And then what happens behind that then is we get into this expansive enablement. And really that's really about ownership. It's about ownership because really the goal here is to have ownership and then responsibility. Because what this does is this helps to keep scope in line, all right? Keep scope in line, because sometimes we can get head down with blinders and go, and we lose focus on the priority and hence the scope. And then next really is about data. So there's a significant reliance. I know we're talking this masterclass about first party data and all that, but really what we're talking about when I say in this data driven environment is really about being able to interpret and then glean insights from that data, right? Because then, like I talked about the optimization team, really what happens then is we begin to optimize those operational functions. And then finally, it's really ultimately then about that accountability and collaboration, all right? That's that last piece, because it's then about working to that common goal. So when you have those silos reduced and the priorities are focused, and the scope is clear and the functions are optimized, you have what we're looking for is that better buying and customer lifecycle experience.